What was the language of Aryan in early Vedic society? Sanskrit. First Jain council was held in 3rd century BCE at Patliputra, in which Vedic text the term Varna is referred for the first time. Rig Veda. The stone pillars at Goya, Sanchi and Bhadot is depicting the life of whom? Mahatma Buddha. The foreign visitors who wrote that Indians are free from slavery and of the existence of 7 caste system. Megasthenes in India. Megasthenes was an ambassador of which Greek king? Seleucus Nicetas. The first major inscription in classical Sanskrit is that of Rudradaman. During reign of Harsha, the Kaunas assembly was held to publicize the doctrines of Mohayan sect. The gold coins issued during the reigns of Chandragupta Vikramaditya were known as dinars. Indus Valley sites located in Afghanistan are Mundigarh and Sortughai. Quit India movement was launched after the failure of Cripps mission. Who was the chairman of first Buddhist council? Mahakashyap. Mahatma Buddha delivered his first sermon at Sarnath. What was the condition of women education during the Mughal period in India? Not very good. Man is said to have appeared on the earth in the early Pleistocene period. Kaushambi was the capital of which Mahajanpad? Vatsa. Who was the first puppet Mughal emperor? Jahandar Shah. At second Jaina Council was held in 512 AD at Vallavi. The first scholar who used the term Indus civilization, John Marshall. First use of handmade pottery and potter wheel appeared during which stone age? Neolithic age. The government of India's target of producing power from biomass by the year 2022 is 10 megawatt. The number of agroclimatic zones in Uttar Pradesh is 9. The earth rotates from west towards east. The highest peak in the Eastern Ghat, Mahendragiri. The stage of a star where the helium core becomes increasingly heavy, accompanied with expanding outlay layers, protostars. The name of the brightest star of solar system is Sirius dog star. The propounder of binary stars hypothesis of origin of solar system is H. N. Russell. Kuki tribe is native of Odisha. Immanuel Kant hypothesis regarding the origin of Earth is known as gaseous hypothesis. The imaginary surface of on which Earth orbits around the Sun is called as plane of the ecliptic. Longitudes are imaginary lines extending from pole to pole. The prime meridian is at 0 degree and is known as Greenwich line. Timber-like oak, pine, chestnut are found in India in hill forest. The most extensive part of the oceanic floor is deep sea plain, where is Indian Grain Storage Management and Research Institute situated, Hapur, Uttar Pradesh. Desert to the Secura Desert is located at Peru. The draft of the constitution was published in February 1948. The preamble of Indian constitution has been amended so far once. Who framed the idea to have a constituent assembly for India? M.N. Roy, the chairman of the Union Constitution Committee of the Constituent Assembly was Jawaharlal Nehru. Speaker of the Lok Sabha may resign by writing to Deputy Speaker. In India, a three-tier panchayat is envisaged for states which have a population above 20 lakh. The constitutional amendment that reduces the age of voting from 21 years to 18 years, 61st Amendment. At present, the Deputy Speaker of Lok Sabha is M. Thambi Durai. The Public Accounts Committee was set up in 1921. Governor of states has been empowered to promulgate ordinance under Article 213. Governor of states has been empowered to promulgate ordinance under Article 213. The first Vice President to die in office, Krishna Kant. The present Attorney General of India, Mukul Rohatgi. Which article of the Constitution of India specifies certain duties of the Prime Minister in relation to President? Article 75. Every adult above 18 years has the right to vote in India. Which of the amendment made this provision? 61st Amendment 1989. Human Rights Day is observed annually on December 10. A member of a State Public Service Commission can be appointed and removed respectively by Governor and President. World's first ever dengue fever vaccine is branded as Dengvaxia. On how many occasions the financial emergency has been provoked by the President? Not even today. In who is the author of the book Planned Economy for India? M. Viswesvaraya. Sector of Indian economy, which is the second largest provider of employment after agriculture. Service sector. Poverty line on the basis of nutritional standard was defined during 6th five-year plan. NSC 50 was founded on recommendation of Farwani Committee. Who is the author of the book The Accumulation of Capital? Mrs. John Robinson. During which five-year plan the Planning Commission has fixed the target of 4% rate of growth in agriculture? 11th plan. The World Bank in its World Development Report classified the various countries on the basis of gross national income. The lowering of official value of the local money in terms of foreign currency or gold is called as devaluation. Which sector of Indian economy which sector of Indian economy is related to business, transport, communication and service? Tertiary sector. Which 5-year plan is called as Gadgil Yojana? Third plan. Which 5-year plan is based on Gadgil Yojana strategy? Third 5-year plan 1961 to 66. Mention an objective of Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan RMSA, removing gender gaps. It refers to that portion of bankers' total cash reserve which they are statutorily required to hold with RBI. Cash reserve ratio CRR, which dimensions are incorporated in the school mapping norms, spatial and demographic. Paper currency in India was first introduced in 1886 AD. What is the term that differentiates the nation's import of goods and its exports? Balance of trade. What is the term that differentiates the nation's import of goods and its exports? Balance of trade. Bharat Rashtriya Atlas project is handled by National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization. Bharat Rashtriya Atlas project is handled by National Atlas and Thematic Mapping Organization. An allegoric disease in which there is a periodic attack of headache takes place. It is an incurable disease, migraine. The disease is caused by the fungi, namely Taenia pedis. This is an infectious disease of skin which spreads mainly due to cracking of feet, athlete's foot. When did Government of India launch the National Cancer Control Program? 1975. By which of the problems the curvature of cornea becomes irregular and image is not clear? Astigmatism. Who made first nuclear reactor and used U-235? Fermi. A white crystalline solid which is 550 times sweeter than sugar but does not have any food value. It is used by diabetic patient. Saccharin. Which alloys are used for welding electrical wires together? Lead and tin. The instrument used to measure the relative humidity is hydrometer. The satellite whose time period is 24 hours is called geostationary satellite. Lens which is used to correct myopia, concave. The blood cells responsible for blood clotting are thrombocytes. Which radioisotope is used to study the structure and activity of thyroid gland? Iodine 131. Which radioisotope is injected along with salt solution to track the flow of blood? Sodium 24. The resorting force per unit area set up inside the body subjected to deforming forces is called stress. To be a knowledge center for professional service is the vision of Consultancy Development Center. Headquarters of Earth System Science Organization is situated in New Delhi. Information about the user's web activity restored by what? Cookies. period which is known as Age of Fishes, Devonian period. The city which is selected at first place to have smart grid system, New Delhi, NDMC. The Indian Tsunami Early Warning Center, ITEWC, was set up in 2007. Mein Kampf means My Struggles. Who was the first Indian writer to win Booker Prize? Arundhati Roy. The Bolshevik revolution started in Russia during the reign of Caesar Nicholas II. Who is the author of the famous book Malgudi Days? R.K. Narayan. Who is the recipient of Dadasaheb Phalke Award in 2015? Manoj Kumar. When did Amitabh Ghosh awarded with Padma Shri? 2007. When did Amitabh Ghosh awarded with Padma Shri? 2007. My Life with the Taliban is written by whom? Abdul Salam Jaif. INS Kochi has been built under which code name? Project 15 Alpha. Which Indian missile have a range of 1,000 km will be able to launch from multiple platforms on land and sea and air? Nirbhay. The national song of India is composed by whom and in which language? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Sanskrit. Who wrote the book Turning Points? APJ Abdul Kalam. Who is the grand old man in India? Dadabhai Naoroji. Who established Satya Sadak Samaj? Jyotiba Phule. After how many years India has won cricket test series in Sri Lanka in October 2015? 22 years. Who is the highest ranked commissioned officer in Indian Navy? Admiral. Indian Institute of Remote Sensing IIRS is situated at Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Where is Govind Vallabh Pant Social Science Institute located? Allahabad. The term Eureka was attributed to Archimedes. Who was the author of the book Crime and Punishment? Fyodor Dostoevsky. Fyodor Dostoevsky. Crime and Punishment.